Did Max tell you about the time we got attacked by wasps? We were going through all this cacti and poison oak and stuff, going past like coyote dens and funnel spider nests, and then all of a sudden, one of us, probably me, because I'm the more clumsy one, I think I stepped and disturbed a paper wasp nest. Max gets stung 3 times. You get in their territory at all, they'll just come right after you. So I had to take like 20 minutes to get out of that situation, but that's when I truly felt like a bio major, you know? Hi, my name's Thomas. I'm a bio major, and I'm going to be a junior next fall.
I'm Max. I'm a bio major as well, with a ecology focus. I'm going to be a sophomore next fall. SURP is the Summer Undergraduate Research Program at Pomona. Students can enroll in one of their professor's labs, or any professor's lab, and help out with their research.
I'm Nina Karnovsky, and I teach biology at Pomona College. I have been overseeing SURP since I started here at Pomona 21 years ago. Some of the projects that I started long ago are still being done, and so the students that I have this summer, for example, are building upon data that were collected by students in 2005.
We are out at the Bernard Field Station mapping wood rat huts. Basically, once we map them on our GPS app, we set up a camera to assess whether or not it's inhabited. So we have these trail cams set up on a timer, basically so they're only active at night, because that's when the wood rats are active. And we're basically just trying to capture any evidence of presence.
It's kind of amazing because, you know, these rats are only, you know, yay high, and they can create pretty tall structures. The biggest we found so far was 3 meters wide and 2 meters tall.
That was
That was the one in the olive tree, yeah, down south. The wood rats are one of 5 projects we're doing right now. They're kind of one of the big ones that we're looking at. We went down to the coast to check out some of the pelicans and see if those pelicans had bands on them, so we can kind of track those populations.
We basically went out on kayaks and surveyed for banded pelicans, banded brown pelicans. We went out, probably saw close to 300 to 400 each day. And we were looking for birds that had a plastic field-readable band on their leg, and we were also using radio bands, which is kind of a new technology. Very cool research. I just want to thank Professor Karnovsky and everyone at Pomona. That's been super helpful for us. This has been a truly great experience, and I'm excited to hopefully do it again next summer.
Yeah.
You know, our students can do amazing work. They have to be given the chance, and having the funding to be able to carry out this research is just really wonderful, because usually undergrads don't get that chance to be able to foster the excitement and curiosity, and just to see that develop in the students and the confidence in their science that they're carrying out. I just love that. And then I get to see them go on and do amazing things. It really helps them figure out who they are, and I just love, you know, bearing witness to that. You know, that's incredible.